Today, we're diving into the exciting world of AI creativity with Heygen, the cutting-edge AI tool designed to unleash your imagination. Whether you're a beginner or just curious about the endless possibilities, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll take you on a step-by-step journey through the Heygen AI tool, from the basics to creating stunning visuals. No tech jargon, just pure creative fun.
So by the end of this video, you will be able to create the same AI video that you have just saw in the beginning while just writing a simple text, and it will speak for you in the video. So make sure to follow the video step by step to know the entire process. So simply just open heygen.com and come to the official website of Heygen, and after that you have these two options. You can either go ahead and click on get started for free, or you can go ahead and click on get started from the top right. So just click on get started for free, and here you have to mention your email address and create a password in order to log into or sign up for Heygen account. And now on this page you have the brief intro of the Heygen application by the co-founder itself, and below that you will have this option called get started. So just click on it. And now you are in the home page of the Heygen website, and when you see on the left hand side of the screen, you will have these options like home, template, avatar. So just go ahead and click on templates. So in the template section you have this create your own video template. So you can scroll down and see and look for the different templates that are available with the Heygen. So as you can see, there are loads and loads of templates available, so you can choose any of them and start using for yourself. And when you click on avatar section, you have different avatar in the avatar library. As you can see that in the studio avatar section, you will have so many avatars available that you can select and choose for your video creation. For example, this one, as you can see when you start playing it.
Welcome to the new era of video creation with Heygen. Simply type your script to get.
So you just have to type your script and it will start speaking your script in a video format. And when you click on instant avatar, you will have these avatars with the studio background on them, so you can go ahead and use them as well. And when you click on photo avatar, you will have these AI looking or very robotic or very dramatic looking avatar. You have Mona Lisa as well, so you can select from them as well. And now in order to create the video, just simply go to the avatar section and select the avatar of your choice. For example, I'm choosing this one, and just click on the particular avatar that you want to create and edit the video for. And after that, just click on create video, and it will open a studio section for you. Now you just have to mention your script right here. So just write your script, or you can manually type your script right here. So for example, I've already written a script, so I'm just gonna paste it over here. Now you can also select the sound of the video or the AI avatar that he or she is speaking. So and if you want to change it, you can just click on the voice and just select the voice of your preference. For example, I'm choosing this one, and after that just click on play script, and it will take some time depending on the text that you have mentioned here.
Today, we're diving into the exciting world.
And just click on submit, and once you click on submit, the video will start loading. And once it is done, you will be able to play it and see it if you like it or not. And if you don't like it, you can go ahead and edit it and change it according to you. Now as you can see that the video has completed, so you can click on the play button and the video will start playing for you. So this is basically how you will be able to use Heygen for creating AI avatar video. So I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.